Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Gonna do our what sold video. I didn't do a video yesterday. Only had like 4 sales, something like that. Wasn't worth it. I've done absolutely nothing. No listing for 3 months. Haven't sent out offers all week. But the orders you see on the screen are for July 5th and 6th. So 191 orders on my main store, or 23 orders, 191 bucks, and then on the plain postcards, 4 orders for pretty much $93 for doing absolutely zero, no effort, 284 bucks for 2 days. So I will take that. Let's go ahead and get into what sold. Keep selling these patriotic Santa Claus doing baseball, stuff like that. So $2.99. It says I have none available. I have 20, 30 of them just relisted. Here's one with the Santa Claus on the reindeer. Automobile advertising, circa 1956. Texaco dealer service due Havoline oil. It's $8.99 for that card. Next we have New York, some lake, Scott's Showboat. Looks like a little party boat there. 1940, $6.99 for that. I'm not sure, is there a band on there? There is a little band on there. Cool, little party boat. Patriotic World War I era, President Woodrow Wilson flag, Capitol. And that sold for $8 on a best offer. This is a bifold or 2-panel, whatever you want to call it. Gainesville, Florida, Hotel Thomas, advertising postcard. And that sold for $10 on a best offer. That was a linen card. Walt Disney Country Bear Jamboree, Frontierland Grizzly Hall. So $7 on a best offer for that one. St. Patrick's Day boy green top coat and hat on phone. Artist signed Ellen Clapsaddle. There's her signature right there. $10 on a best offer. Next, Warren, Pennsylvania, ex-Governor Stone's residence, 1909. Sold for $4.50 on a best offer. Clearfield, Pennsylvania, the Captain's Table. I'm not sure if this is that restaurant that serves like a 10-pound hamburger challenge, something like that. It might be this place, might not be. Anyway, $4.50 on this card. And next we have this one out to, these next 2 cards going out to a viewer, so thank you very much. This Apollo 9 Spider Landing, and then the Apollo 11 Moon Landing. $2.99 for each card. Might have had best offers, I can't quite remember. Las Vegas, Nevada, view of 8 casino hotels. Came in that big auction lot from August. Last one of these I have. And then the last one of these I had. This is the MGM, went to the same buyer, $2.49 for each card. World War I, U.S. captured German submarine in Detroit. Real photo, sold for $14.99. Walt Disney World Outer Space in Florida, Space Mountain Ride. Looks like I have a couple copies of these. $4 on a best offer. They also bought 2 of these Splash Mountain, Magic Kingdom, Walt Disney World, Brer Bear. There's an error on the back of this, somewhere on here. Some say Brer Bar. They forgot the E in bear. So keep an eye out for that. It's not that much of a issue with errors on these postcards. But anyway, $4 on that. And they bought 2 of them. New Orleans, Kinsey's Studio Courtyard. And I think it's artist signed right there. That's what I put in the title. $5.99 for that card. Arlington, Texas, Arlington Stadium, home of Texas Rangers baseball. Have a whole boatload of these. Same thing, got them in the auction from last August. $2.99 for that card. Advertising postcard, MetLife Insurance Company, Old Mother Hubbard. 1920s. $7.99 on a best offer. Next is World War I era artillery company soldier. Artillery based on that hat right there. You might say it on the back. Nope, just use the hat as reference. And that sold for $10 on a best offer. Los Angeles Security Savings Bank interior lobby. What else? Safe deposit, $7 best offer. Same person bought this interior bank view, Amsterdam, New York Savings Bank on Division Street. So bank interiors usually do fairly well. $5.50 on a best offer. Richmond, Virginia, Jefferson Davis Monument, 1940s linen, $6.99. Watsonville, California, the Plaza, 1940s, the Apple City, and sold for $6.99. And then we have Beautiful Woman green dress, artist sign Asti, right there. Looks like a Tux card. It is a Tux card. Beatrice. Okay. I should have worked Beatrice into the title. I did not. I did put Tux, but I should have put Beatrice. $6.99 on a best offer. These are the cards over on airplane postcards. And this one is Varig, which is Brazilian Airlines, sold for $4.99. This is Northwest Orient, DC 7C, 1950s, sold for $4.99. And some of the better cards, here's Yugoslavian Airlines. This is a Yugoslavian Airlines issued card. You can see that information in the middle and right there, $24.99 for that one. And then the buyer bought, these are oversized. These are like maybe 5x7, 6x9, something like that. But they're really big postcards. Let me see if I have them. 9x5 or 5x9. Same buyer bought a couple last week, and they bought more this week, all from KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, and $20 for each of those cards. I really need to be listing on, I just need to be listing. Maybe I'll have my daughter start listing the airline cards. So there we go. Pretty good sales for doing absolutely nothing. It is coming up on 3.5 months since I've done end and relist. It might even be close to 4 now. So I think maybe this weekend I'll do an end and relist, and we'll see that hopefully immediate spike for 2 or 3 days and get rid of some more postcards. So what else is going on here? So this weekend, the Denver Postcard Show in Lakewood, Colorado. I got an email. I think they said they're going to have like 15 dealers, something like that. Harrisonburg, Virginia. So that's this Friday, Saturday, Lakewood, Colorado. Saturday, Sunday, Harrisonburg, Virginia. I've not made any plans to attend. Someday I want to go to this show. And then you have Livonia, Michigan on the 16th. Albany, New York, 16th and 17th. Also on the 16th and 17th, Kent, Washington. So you guys out in Seattle and Oregon, there's a postcard show next weekend. Eagan, Minnesota, Great Lakes. If you go to this one in Minnesota, look for a guy named Dave Strebe. He's the one who I have to look at his cards before he heads out that way. And then Strasburg, Ohio. So a lot of postcard shows in July. Hopefully one of them is near you. Go attend. I think you'll have a good time. And over on Postal History, I think there's one. It's a stamp bourse out in Akron, Ohio on July 24th. They may have postcards at that stamp show. So Ohio, you have a couple choices. And of course, can't not talk about WhatNot. They've added now under they've changed categories under estate. It's now estate sales and vintage decor, and they now have subcategory ephemera and postcards. So you can click on that, and you can really narrow down to us sellers who obviously sell postcards. So I have a show today at noon. I have a whole bunch of Matthew Kirsch and Bonfiglio Halloween cards. Going to be some sketched cards. We'll see how those go today. Got like 12 real photo lots of like 20 cards. We'll get into 100 card lots for a little bit, and we'll see what happens after that. So maybe 2 hours today, maybe 3. I don't know. We'll see. We'll be getting rid of postcards today on WhatNot. That's all I know. So you all have a great day. Hope your sales are incredible.